Wood is an affordable and durable construction material. If you love to have a wooden house and see yourself as someone who finds refuge in nature, check the following best wooden houses that nature-loving dwellers like you will absolutely love. These houses are designed by Me Home. House design number 1. A warm half-concrete, half-wood house. A double-story home that is great for growing family. A perfect choice for those who enjoy modernity and charm in the country. As you can see, this house is a beautiful color scheme, texture design, and classic layout. This house has 3 bedrooms, a spacious hall, kitchen, and relaxing front and back balcony on the top floor. Under its foundation cement, there is a multi-purpose room, 1 bathroom, another kitchen, and a basement. The construction budget for this house is $98,000. House design number 2. Small yet beautiful wooden house. Wood is the perfect material for your dream rest house in the countryside. Just like this small but beautiful home with 1 bedroom and 1 bathroom. The living area of this small house is 25 square meters, while the construction budget is more or less $38,000. House design number 3. A charming wooden house. Wouldn't it be great if you had a beautiful wooden house where you could return after a tiring day at work? Wooden houses are made from natural materials and often feature gorgeous interiors and facade. This immediately creates a very soothing and relaxing environment like this dream house in the middle of nature. The budget construction for one of this house is $35,000. House design number 4. A lovely garden home. Wood may seem like a traditional building material, but it can look overly modern with minimalist design such as this garden home. It has 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom, and living room. The total living area is 17 square meters and the construction budget is around $40,000. House design number 5. An ideal rest house. Empty sitting room, and all furniture in the house is green. Wood is the perfect material for your dream rest house in the countryside. This is a 50 square meter house with 1 bedroom and 1 bathroom. The construction budget is more or less $35,000. House design number 6. A wooden house with relaxing terrace. Cool and comfortable. This is the best description for this house. What sets this house apart from the rest is its invaluable terrace that acts as a design focal point where you can sit and relax with a natural atmosphere around. Aside from being relaxing, this house is also open and welcoming. It has 1 bathroom, 1 bedroom, and a living room. You need to have 50 square meter lot to have at least 50 square meter living area of this house. The construction budget is more or less $35,000. House design number 7. A modern wood house. With versatility, wood allows you to create beyond your imagination. Just look at how this house is. This 2-bedroom